Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to make a quick yet beautiful card using an image and a die from the Stitched All Around bundle. Now currently this is March of 2019 and it is in the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog as a bundle. And I am using some paper, which is a beautiful printed vellum from the Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog, and it's called Floral Romance Specialty Paper, and there are a couple of prints in there that are done on vellum, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. I have a petal pink card base cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 to make a standard size card. Now I'm going to be doing a landscape card, and so I have this piece of vellum, and I know I'm going to put a label over top, so I want these little leaves and blossoms to show, so I want to set that up at the top like that. Now, trick to attaching vellum, you really don't want your adhesive to show through, but on this printed vellum I find that I can get away with just a dab behind the colored parts, and then where you're going to put another label or piece of cardstock or designer paper over top, you can put some adhesive beneath where that will be so it doesn't show. So let's do that. I'm going to judge about right here, and I'm just going to take some Snell adhesive and apply some of that, and then up underneath a couple of these leaves I'm just going to put a dab. Okay, let's get that on, and I'm just going to center that over top, and it'll have about a 1/4 inch border all the way around. Okay, so that worked just fine. Now this is going to go here, but first I want to apply my ribbon, and then we'll stamp our sentiment over top of that label. So I'm leaving my ribbon on the spool, giving myself plenty of room to tie, and on this one I'm just going to tie a knot, and I leave my tails on the ribbon a little longer, and I can just trim off what I don't need. Okay, so let me find my ribbon scissors and just give it an angle cut just like that. Then I can adjust that and move that down, and then I'm just going to double check and make sure there is room for my label, and there is. So to secure that ribbon, I'm going to put a glue dot behind the knot, just like that. Okay, all right, now let's do some really simple stamping and we'll be done, except for the inside of the card, and that can be done at your leisure when you decide who you're going to give it to, or you can go ahead and put a piece of Whisper White cardstock inside and decorate as you please. All right, so I have this stamp, making sure that it's got right side up here, and I'm just going to go in the middle. Enjoy your special day. That would be perfect for a birthday card. And it's going to go over the ribbon just like that, and I'm going to use a few Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. Now these labels that come with this bundle are just absolutely beautiful and ornate, and I like to cut several at a time when I'm running it through. So when I cut this one, I cut some of the smaller labels too, and then I can save them to use at a different time. Okay, I can embellish with rhinestones if I wish, or some jewels. So be sure and visit my website to see how I finish up this card, and stay tuned for our next video. I'm going to show you and give you some tips on how you can finish the insides of your cards. Take care, have a great day. Bye-bye.